Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is another fun day because it's modification time. The mailman just arrived and he brought two modifications for me, and one we can install right away. The other one still has to do something until it can be installed on the car. So let's show what he brought. So yeah, as you can see here, these are actually the M side skirts. So yeah, we are finally gonna complete the M package look from the car. These are still the non-M side skirts. Everything else is M package on the car. But these have this nice, indication, and this is going to be black. And there is another box, and if you watched my previous video, then you will probably know what it is. This is an M Performance gear shifter. So this is the new gear shifter for the car, and it looks so much better because it has this nice carbon fiber weave and this Alcantara gear shift, and this is aluminium, and this is all Alcantara, and it will look so much better as the stock gear shifter that's in it now. These we actually can install them right now, but it would look a little bit ridiculous because they still have to be painted in the car's color, and I'm actually going to wait for the side skirt extensions so I can bolt them on while they're off, because otherwise it wouldn't be that great of a job. But this thing we can install right away, so that's what we are going to do right now. Okay, now, so what we gotta do actually to remove this is very simple. You don't need any tools at all. It just removes by hand. So the thing that you gotta do is untap the leather case here. So you just take that off very easily. It just takes off like this. But now the hard part is getting this off. And how do you get this off? Well, you just pull at it as hard as you can, and watch out that you don't knock out one of your teeth, because I actually tried this before and my lip was bleeding because I hit myself. So you sit there and you just push as hard, you pull as hard as you can, and it will just go out. So watch out that you don't hit yourself, and just really pull really hard. And I'm gonna sit a little bit right because it's just takes a lot of force to get out. Okay, we got it finally. So that's the hardest part, pulling this out. Now we can take the gear shifter over here, and we just, it's very simple. It's plug and play. So you take this over, it just clicks in. Then you take your gear shifter, make sure it sits nice, and then you have to hear like a noise. So you make sure it's clicked in. So 3, 2, 1. That's not as loud as on this one, but yeah, it sits in very nice. And here we have the new gear shifter. It looks so much better. Let's have a look. Yeah, it sits very tight. It won't come out. Okay, perfect. So here is the new shifter installed. Like I said, it's a super easy job. It doesn't take long at all, and it looks so much better. Oh, and it feels very nice. This just feels, yeah, a little bit clunky, but this feels, yeah, I like this. Okay, so another modification done to the Beamer. I'm very happy. It's a little bit cooler now because of this modification. So yeah, finally we did an interior modification, and now I'm actually going to bring away the pieces to the painter so he can get them painted and I can get them installed here on the car. So anyway guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, you can always leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.